This is Lab 6, Example 2. We have the following function. We want to fill out this table, and then we want to graph the points that the table corresponds to. So, to fill out this table, we're going to use our graphing calculator. We're going to input this function into our y equals menu. So pressing on, pressing clear to get rid of that. We're going to press this y equals up here. We're going to input our function up here. So there should be parentheses right here. Put that first parenthesis in there. To write x, we're going to use this button right here, right next to alpha. And then we're going to do -2, end parenthesis. And we're going to do this square up here, so up to the 2 power, and then -3. So now that we've done that, we're going to go into our table, which is second graph, and we'll pull up all of our x and y values that we can then use to fill in this table. So when x is -1, we see that y is 6. When x is 0, we see that y is 1. When y is -3, we see that x is 2. And when x is 3, we see that y is -2. And when x is 5, we see that y is 6. So we're going to put this aside for now, and we're going to graph these points onto our Cartesian coordinates. Our Cartesian plane, excuse me. So we have the point -1 and 6, so -1 up 6 is that point right there. 0, 1 is this point right here. 2, -3 is this point right here. 3, -2 is this point right here. 5, 6 is going to be this point up here. So it looks kind of like a bowl or a parabola. We're going to go into our calculator and make sure that we have the general shape correct. So to do that, I'm just going to press graph, and it should draw that function we inputted earlier. And we see that it is indeed a parabola, and if we compare our points, those points will be on this function. So we have successfully done problem number 2.